Sometimes we need a column heading that stays in the middle of the selected areas or columns. You see, if I write here, it doesn't comes up in the middle. For doing this, we merge all the 4 selected cells of the selected areas. But it creates another problem. If we merge the cells, all the 4 cells converted into one cell. That we don't want. To do this, we have another alternative way, keeping all the cells active. We can do that is, we will start writing from the leftmost cell of the selected area. Then we will select our desired area. In the middle where we want the column headings. Then we will go to toolbar, click format, then format cell, click on the alignment, click on horizontal drop down box, then select center across selection, then OK. You see the column heading came up in the middle of the selected area. If I want to do the same for these columns, start writing from the leftmost cell of our desired area, then select the area, start from left to right. This time let us use keyboard shortcut Ctrl 1 and do the same as before we did. Click OK. You see the column heading came up in the middle of our desired column area.